Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to not get copyrighted on YouTube for the audio files that you use in the background of your videos and any audio track in general. First, you have to head over to this website which is called licked.com, just such a weird name. Now you have to log into the Licked website with your account. If you don't have any account, you can also make account. After signing in with your account, you can see there are lots of options like tracks, like genres, video themes, and everything it has that a video creator needs without getting a copyright strike. There are lots of categories, but how you can find the perfect audio file for your video? To find the perfect audio file for your need, you have to click on search. Now here you can see on the left side there are lots of filters that you can apply. To give you a quick demo, I will show you how the search filters work. I will click on genres. Now there are lots of genres to choose from. I will select the house. Now there are different type of moods that you can select, or positive, negative, dark, dramatic, anything. I will select positive, or you can click on multiple moods, like I will also click on relaxed. Now how would I like the tempo of my audio track to be, like beats per minute? I can select very slow, slow, medium, so I will click on medium. You can select the option according to your need. If you scroll down a bit, you can also see a licensable platforms. If you are a YouTube creator, you have to select on YouTube, or you can select on TikTok or any other option according to your needs. After selecting all of my desired option, you can see the website has given me a list of audio tracks that I can use on my videos. Then I will not get any copyright strike. In case if you get a copyright strike, then all you have to do is talk to the Licked website support and tell them your problem, and they will fix the problem for you. You don't have to do anything else. So that's how to not get copyrighted on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.